In this quick tutorial, we're going to talk about how to set up a group class. Once you're logged into Acuity, you go to Appointment Types, and we're going to choose New Type of Group Class. In the name section, you want to put something that is recognizable for your customers so they know they're signing up for the right thing. I'm going to call it my February workshop. We're going to add a description. All right, for duration, I want this one to be a 90-minute. And I'm not going to block off time. If your group session is a workshop or something that is in the middle of your day when you'll have other things being booked around it and you need that buffer between appointments, you can add that extra time. In this case, I'm not going to add any. I'm going to make it for $100, and I want to create a new category called workshops, and I want it to stand out purple on my calendar. You can add a picture if you would like to, if you've got like a little graphic made or something like that. I'm going to go ahead and mark mine private though, because I don't want just anybody. This is only for my current clients, so I want to be able to give them a link for it. There is going to be a max of 6 people in this. And if you have a workshop or a group class that, say you're teaching something and it's going to be 4 sessions and you want them to sign up and attend all 4 sessions, then you would click the client must set up for all times offered. In this case, I'm only setting up a one-time group workshop, so I'm going to leave that blank. So then I'm going to create the appointment type. And now I get to offer the class. So now I'm going to choose when is this workshop happening. So I'm going to click here and get my calendar. I'm going to make this for February 23rd at 6 p.m. If it is a workshop or a class that you're offering more than one time slot, you can do recurring and set up how often. If it's, like every Wednesday or something like that. In this case, this is not going to be recurring. It's a one-time. So I'm going to save my class and it's here. And then if you have another time that you want to offer it, you can add a second one and add as many as you want. And then I'm just going to update the appointment type. And then we will come down here, hit the direct scheduling link. And this is what it looks like for the customer. So they can choose their time zone so that it shows up in their time zone, shows them how long it's going to be, and then how many spots are left, and they can sign up. And of course you have the class and the price. And then this is where the description that I put in is showing up. Of course it walks them through your normal setup after they've chosen what class.